Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is compare group with group value and parent group value. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on app launcher. So here I'm just going to search for sales and click on the result so that you will get this page. So here I'm just going to make a click on reports followed by new report. So guys, here I'm just going to choose cases followed by start report. So once if it is done, under outline in group rows I'm just going to click on type by searching it. So just make a click on it. So guys, here next to this columns you will find this drop down, just click on that followed by add summary formula and just scroll down, and now let's copy your column name. So if you scroll down right over here, you will find column name here which is given as % of total. Just copy this and paste it over here. Let's copy your formula as well, which is given right over here, and paste the formula. So for formula output type we are just going to give %. So give %, and now click on validate. So here in display we are just going to choose selected groups, and now if you scroll down you can click on validate. So it should get valid now. So once if it is done, click on apply followed by save and run followed by save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So guys, our report name should be case percentages by type. Just copy this and come back. Just click on edit on your right side. So here you will find this pencil icon. Just make a click on it. Replace the name. Now click on save and run, and now you can come back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.